4 things you need to know about lab-grown meat. Number 1. Growing meat in a lab is finally possible and becoming more practical every day. The process, pioneered by researcher Mark Post from Maastricht University, starts like this. Scientists harmlessly extract stem cells called myosatellite cells from a small sample of muscle tissue from the source animal, in this case a cow. The scientists coax them to differentiate into muscle cells, which then naturally form small fibers called myotubes. When placed around a circular hub made of gel, the myotubes start bulking up, growing larger and combining to form a small piece of muscle tissue. Mix these pieces of muscle tissue along with cultured fat tissue, and you get something that looks and tastes like meat. Number 2. According to an Oxford University study, this cultured meat could be produced with up to 96% fewer greenhouse gas emissions than regular meat. And that's important because livestock production is a key driver of climate change. The meat industry currently contributes 44% of the world's methane and 53% of the world's nitrous oxide emissions. In fact, livestock is estimated to account for more greenhouse gases than the world's cars, trucks, boats, and planes combined. Number 3. Current livestock production is also incredibly water-intensive, but cultured meat is estimated to require 82 to 96% less water depending on the animal. That's a lot of savings in a world where scarcity is already causing water to be referred to as the new oil. Number 4. While the first cultured burger, grown by Mark Post in 2013, cost $330,000 for just one patty, he expects his group to be able to produce patties on a large enough scale to sell them for less than $10 each by 2020. As Post told the Washington Post, once we can grow the tissue in a reactor the size of an Olympic swimming pool, we should be able to achieve that sort of volume.